Hey all, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're gonna talk about how I got this look. It's I Hate My Relatives Christmas Eve Party Makeup Tutorial 2019. Okay, so this is the tutorial that you're gonna wear on Christmas Eve party when you hate your relatives. You might be the cousin that you were forced to play with when you were young. It might be that weird uncle that was weird to you when you were younger. It might be those crazy homophobic, relatives you might have, like your grandparents. This is the look you're gonna show, and it's the tutorial how to look like this, because y'all can hate, they can hate on you, they can say whatever they want on you, but you're gonna just look stunning, period. So without further ado, let's get into this video, and thank you guys so much for watching and clicking, and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already did my eyebrows off camera, and first we're gonna start with the Norbina palette in the shade D3, and we're gonna put that all over our crease. Once the red is there and popping, we're gonna go in with shade. We're gonna go in with shade E5, and we're gonna put it on our crease. We're gonna blend that. Once that's done, we're gonna go in with the James Charles palette, and we're gonna go in the black shade, and we're just gonna press it. In the inner and outer corners. We're gonna blend those. Now we're gonna cut our crease. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with the Moroccan Spice palette, and we're gonna go in with the shade Casablanca, and we're gonna put it all over the lid. Now we're gonna go in and blend that together. Once that's blended, we're gonna go in with our finger on the same shade, and to make it pop, we're gonna put it all over it again. For liner, we're gonna go a bit dramatic with this look. We need the drama, we need it. So we are going to have a wing line. Once that's done, I'm gonna add some more dark mascara. So before we do the lower lash and complexion, I'm gonna do the other eye on camera and I'll be back. Okay, now that both of my eyes are matching, we're gonna go in with foundation. So generally I like doing 2 pumps because I'm medium coverage is what I do, but it's Christmas, so we're gonna do with 3 this time. We're trying to get that almost full coverage because, you know, we're trying to show off. We're trying to show off, that's why. So y'all know how Fenty is. You gotta move fast because the foundation is not gonna wait for you. It's not gonna wait for you. Now that we did put the foundation, we're gonna go in for concealer. Generally I go with like cream concealer because I really don't like full coverage. But you know, this is a special look. We're trying to conceal our mistakes. So with concealer, you gotta always, you know, you gotta let it set so it doesn't move too much. So while that's setting, we're gonna go in with contour. So we're gonna grab Mocha and we are going to contour our cheeks. We gotta cut them haters. We gotta cut family ties with these people you don't like, but you're forced to be with them in Christmas night. We're gonna cut the cheeks that way. We're gonna cut that yaw. Because you don't wanna look like an egg, you wanna look like a piece of art. You're gonna cut that yaw. So now we're gonna blend this contour. We're gonna marry it with our cheeks. Since I don't have such a big forehead, I don't like contouring much my forehead. I just don't mind it. I don't even think I should contour my forehead. I like it as it is. So, but anyways, we want it smaller as possible. And we're gonna cut that jaw. So y'all gonna cut that turkey? Oh no, that was Thanksgiving, right? Whatever y'all eating on Christmas, you're gonna cut it that way. Now it's time to blend our concealer. Today we're going for a bright look. I generally don't go this full coverage, but today is a special occasion, okay? Oh my god, I got into my eyeliner. That's the issue with doing eyes before face, like this could happen. But I'm gonna fix it, it's just the eyeliner, it's not such a big issue. Okay, now that that's there, let me fix this eyeliner because we cannot be looking a mess. For nose contour, I'm gonna go in with Mocha and I'm gonna put it all over my brush. And I'm gonna contour it. I don't like putting like this cream stick because it's too big. I'm gonna put it in the middle of my nose and drag it all the way to the eyebrow. You're gonna drag it all the way to the eyebrow. Like you drag your problems to 2020, but you're like new year, new me, but y'all been having the same cheating man, y'all been having the same excuses, same problems. You're gonna drag it the same way, like no excuses. And to marry it with our, we go blend it with our beauty blender. We are not gonna use blush today, mama, because I don't feel like wearing blush. Okay, everybody, for highlight, we're gonna go in with a Fenty Beauty. Listen, you gotta coat that brush. We need to shine. Y'all see that? We need that sparkle in our life. We need it. So I'm gonna go in and put it on my nose. We're gonna put it in the middle of her forehead. We're gonna put it here. We're gonna put it everywhere, okay? You need that. You need this highlight in your life. Okay guys, for lips, we're gonna go in with the Carbon D Fetish palette and we're gonna go in with the shade Dominatrix. NYX Dominatrix, and we're gonna put it all over for our lips. I love it. Once Dominatrix is on your lips, we're gonna go in with Fenty Beauty in the shade Chocolate, and we're gonna put it all over our lips. So guys, that is basically the end of this tutorial. I hate my relatives' Christmas tutorial. Like, y'all hate it, the homophobic, the sexist, the uncle that was weird to you when you were younger. This is that tutorial, okay? It's Christmas Eve party night, and you're gonna come true. You're gonna come true with the looks, you're gonna come true with the holiday, with the glow, you're gonna come true with everything you want, okay? So this is the tutorial, you guys. Let me know what y'all think about it. Like, I'm very curious. I really love how it ended up looking like. This is my first like Christmas theme type of makeup look. Actually, I started doing makeup 3 months ago, and I'm in love with it. And this is my first tutorial, like makeup tutorial. No, I think it's the second one. It's like makeup, like glam makeup tutorial, and I'm very happy. And thank you guys so much for following me in this journey. And what type of tutorials y'all want from me, what type of makeup looks, reviews. We don't only do makeup on this channel, we talk about mental health, discrimination, and a lot of stuff. So if y'all want to know more about me, you like me somehow, then subscribe. And thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. And please comment down below what y'all think about this, and tag me on Instagram your looks. I would really appreciate that, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.